Often dubbed the land of 10,000 lakes, Minnesota has captivated both tourists and locals for ages. Boasting a robust economy, a dynamic urban culture, a flourishing healthcare sector, and the breathtaking beauty of seasonal changes, this unique corner of America holds a special appeal. But does Minnesota present a lucrative opportunity for real estate investment? Is it wise for investors to consider acquiring properties here to diversify their holdings? Join us as we delve into the top 10 locales for real estate investments in Minnesota, complete with insights and strategies for successfully maneuvering through the property market, especially for those embarking on their investment journey. 10 Best Minnesota Cities to Invest in Real Estate. Minnesota, celebrated for its stunning vistas and lively neighborhoods, presents a variety of prospects for those interested in real estate investment. Spanning from the lively streets of Minneapolis to serene suburban areas and picturesque small towns, the state is dotted with several cities offering great investment promise. In this segment, we'll take a closer look at the top 10 cities within Minnesota for real estate investment, focusing on areas with the highest population as per Minnesota demographics. This exploration aims to offer invaluable knowledge to investors eager to leverage the rich diversity of this market. And don't forget, if you're finding this content valuable and want to stay updated with more insightful videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel. This way, you'll never miss out on the latest tips and trends in real estate investment. Let's continue our journey through Minnesota's real estate landscape. Rochester. Rochester, famed for housing the prestigious Mayo Clinic, stands out as an excellent choice for real estate investment. The city's robust employment landscape, alongside its expanding healthcare industry, guarantees a consistent need for residential spaces. Rochester's allure isn't just limited to its healthcare prominence. It boasts a dynamic city center and top-notch educational institutions, drawing in families. The city offers a diverse range of housing choices, ranging from charming historic residences to contemporary new constructions, providing investors with options that align with various investment approaches. The rental market in Rochester is particularly strong, driven by the continual demand for living accommodations. Rogers. Rogers, nestled in the northwest outskirts of the Twin Cities, has witnessed substantial development recently. Its closeness to key highways and the metropolitan area of the Twin Cities renders it an ideal spot for commuters. The city's blend of residential and business growth opens up prospects for both residential and commercial property investments. Rogers is acclaimed as one of Minnesota's top living destinations, fueling its increasing population and the need for homes. For investors, this translates to prospects for robust rental earnings and the appreciation of property value. St. Paul. St. Paul, the capital of Minnesota, presents a varied landscape in real estate. In areas like Summit University, investors can discover properties rich in history and character, while new projects are emerging in places like Lowertown. Thanks to its solid job market and array of cultural offerings, St. Paul stands as a strong contender for investment. The city's energetic arts community, professional sports franchises, and a plethora of green spaces enhance its appeal as a desirable location for both dwellers and renters. Investors in the real estate market have the opportunity to cater to individuals seeking to immerse themselves in everything St. Paul has to offer by providing various housing options. Duluth. Duluth, perched on the banks of Lake Superior, offers distinctive investment options. The city's picturesque landscape and abundant outdoor activities attract numerous tourists. Investing in holiday rentals or homes suited for outdoor lovers could be a strategic move to leverage Duluth's flourishing tourism sector. Properties near the waterfront in Duluth are especially appealing for those aiming to make the most of the city's stunning natural surroundings. Moreover, Duluth is celebrated for its tight-knit community atmosphere and historical allure, making it an enticing location for both residency and tourism. Bloomington. Bloomington, nestled on the outskirts of Minneapolis, hosts the Mall of America, among the country's most expansive shopping complexes. This attraction pulls in a considerable number of visitors and shoppers, positioning it as a prime spot for investments in commercial real estate. Furthermore, the city boasts a variety of residential properties ideal for sustained rental agreements. The proximity of Bloomington to the airport and main roads adds to its allure for business travelers and daily commuters. In this vibrant municipality, real estate investors have the chance to delve into both commercial and residential market prospects. Brooklyn Park. Brooklyn Park, recognized as one of Minnesota's rapidly expanding cities, stands out as a hub for real estate activity. Its advantageous positioning close to major employment centers and its varied demographic profile position it as a fertile ground for rental property investments. Here, Investors have the opportunity to diversify their portfolios with options like single-family dwellings, multi-unit buildings, or new constructions. The city's dedication to enhancing community facilities and infrastructure development further bolsters its attractiveness to both inhabitants and property investors. Brooklyn Park's promising growth prospects and robust demand for housing mark it as a prime target for investment endeavors. Plymouth. Plymouth, a bustling suburb near the Twin Cities, is celebrated for its top-tier educational institutions and neighborhoods that are perfect for families. It boasts a vigorous employment sector and a diverse array of housing choices, such as townhouses, apartments, and detached homes, presenting investors with chances to serve varied renter profiles. Its closeness to significant employment hubs in the western part of the Twin Cities metro area positions it as a prime spot for those desiring suburban life with easy access to their workplaces. Real estate investors in Plymouth can focus on families seeking quality residences and outstanding schools in this well-established area. Woodbury. Woodbury, well known for its outstanding educational facilities and public parks, is a favored option among families. In this community-focused locale, real estate investors have the opportunity to meet the demand for single-family residences. The city's increasing population and its nearness to key employment centers are elements that bolster the prospects for long-term property value growth. Woodbury's dedication to maintaining its green spaces and recreational facilities adds to its charm. Those seeking solid, family-oriented rental markets would do well to regard Woodbury as an ideal spot for their investment properties. Lakeville. Lakeville, situated in the southern sector of the Twin Cities metropolitan region, blends suburban comfort with rural charm. Here, investors have the chance to delve into various options, including single-family houses and townhomes, to meet the city's eclectic housing requirements. Lakeville's reputable educational institutions and leisure amenities render it a sought-after location for renters. The allure of the city is further enhanced by its picturesque lakes and natural splendor, making it a desirable place to reside. For those aiming to strike a balance in their portfolio with suburban and rural real estate ventures, Lakeville stands as a distinctive prospect. Minneapolis. Minneapolis, Minnesota's most populous city, boasts a vibrant and diverse real estate market, offering a multitude of investment choices. The city's array includes fashionable city center apartments and timeless residences in well-established areas, presenting varied opportunities. Its bustling cultural atmosphere appeals to those desiring an energetic urban life. Minneapolis' job market is strong, home to several Fortune 500 companies. This presents real estate investors with the opportunity to engage in both the residential rental and commercial sectors, accommodating a broad spectrum of tenants and businesses. Factors to consider when it comes time to invest. The real estate sector in Minnesota has captured the interest of investors looking for lucrative ventures. Whether your focus lies in conventional long-term investments, temporary rental properties, or unique approaches such as investing in mortgage notes, this video will navigate you through the key elements to evaluate when delving into Minnesota's property market. Airbnb occupancy rate. Minnesota's Airbnb scene offers a promising avenue for investment. Yet, it's vital to first examine the occupancy rates of Airbnbs in your chosen locale. Places that draw a lot of tourists, like Duluth, Minneapolis, and the North Shore, usually experience higher occupancy. Analyzing past occupancy data and current tourism patterns can aid in assessing the potential returns from an Airbnb venture. Key considerations for Airbnb investment in Minnesota include: location. Opt for a property situated in a high-demand area, close to popular attractions, business hubs, or venues for events. Regulations. Get acquainted with the local rules governing short-term rentals and ensure compliance. Property management. Decide if you will oversee the property personally or engage a management firm to handle bookings and guest relations. Marketing. Craft an effective marketing plan to lure guests, incorporating professional photography, competitive pricing, and an engaging property description. Buy and hold. The strategy of buy and hold in real estate investment continues to be a preferred approach in Minnesota. The state's stable employment landscape, increasing population, and high living standards support the viability of long-term rental properties. When considering a buy and hold investment plan, keep these aspects in mind. Location. Seek out areas with a high demand for rentals, close to educational institutions, employment hubs, and public transport. Property type. Decide on the kind of property you wish to invest in, be it single-family houses, multiple-unit buildings, or apartments, based on your financial capacity and investment objectives. Property management. Choose between personally managing your property or employing a specialized property management firm. Financing. Obtain advantageous financing conditions to enhance your investment's return on investment, ROI. Cash flow analysis. Perform an in-depth analysis of cash flow to ensure your rental revenue adequately covers expenses and yields a positive cash flow. Short-term rentals. The market for short-term rentals in Minnesota has seen considerable expansion, drawing in vacationers, tourists, and business travelers. When delving into short-term rentals, consider these critical elements. Market analysis. Evaluate the local demand for short-term rentals by examining occupancy levels, seasonal fluctuations, and the competitive landscape. Property choice. Select properties that meet the preferences of short-term renters, such as well-furnished apartments, holiday homes, or condos in central locations. Pricing approach. Establish competitive rental pricing, considering cleaning and other related expenses. Legal adherence. Make sure you adhere to local laws related to short-term rentals, including obtaining necessary permits, handling taxes, and meeting safety regulations. Guest satisfaction. Aim to deliver an outstanding experience for guests to garner positive feedback and encourage repeat visits. Mortgage note investing. Investing in mortgage notes offers an alternative approach to real estate investment, potentially leading to a consistent flow of passive income. This strategy involves investing in mortgage notes, which are loans backed by real estate, rather than acquiring physical properties. When considering mortgage note investments in Minnesota, pay attention to these key factors. Comprehensive research. Perform in-depth due diligence on the mortgage note, assessing the property's condition, its market value, and the borrower's financial reliability. Risk analysis. Be aware of the risks linked with the mortgage note, such as the possibility of late payments or defaults. Loan management. Decide if you will manage the loan directly or engage a loan servicing firm to handle collections and disbursements. Legal consultation. Seek advice from legal experts who specialize in mortgage note investing to effectively navigate its complex legal dimensions. Portfolio diversity. Enhance your investment portfolio's robustness by incorporating a range of mortgage notes from various markets and types of properties. Alternatives to traditional real estate investing. Real estate is traditionally seen as a secure and lucrative avenue for investment. Yet, a significant hurdle for many prospective investors is the hefty initial down payment needed to acquire properties. Thankfully, there exist inventive and alternative methods for investing in real estate without requiring substantial capital upfront. This video will examine 3 feasible options for those eager to venture into real estate investment: investing in undeveloped land, utilizing microloans, and participating in fractional investing. Raw land. Investing in raw land, also referred to as land banking, presents a captivating option for those with limited funds for a down payment. This approach stands apart from conventional real estate investments, as undeveloped land can often be purchased for considerably less than developed properties. Here's an overview of how it functions. Benefits of investing in raw land. Reduced initial investment. Typically, raw land demands a lower initial investment compared to developed real estate. Low maintenance costs. With no buildings to upkeep or tenants to manage, the ongoing expenses are minimal. Appreciation prospects. As areas around the land develop, its value can increase substantially. Strategies for raw land investing. Investigate location. Seek land in regions with potential for growth or strategic importance, like near expanding urban areas or major roadways. Comprehensive land evaluation. Perform an extensive inspection of the land to check for any environmental or zoning issues that might restrict its usage. Patience for growth. Recognize that investments in raw land usually require time to grow in value, so a long-term perspective is vital. Microloans. Microloans are modest, short-duration loans offered by individuals or entities to support real estate investments. These loans are particularly beneficial for those who do not have large amounts of capital for down payments but are eager to invest in real estate. Here's a breakdown of how microloans function. Advantages of microloans. Funding accessibility. Microloans offer the financial means necessary for investing in real estate without a substantial down payment. Negotiable terms. Borrowers can discuss and set terms, interest rates, and repayment plans with the lenders. Collaboration opportunities. Microloans often involve private financiers who might be open to joint investments or partnerships in real estate projects. Guidelines for utilizing microloans. Cultivate a network. Develop connections with possible microloan providers, including individuals, crowdfunding sources, or community-based lending groups. Explicit terms. Ensure that all conditions of the loan are clearly outlined, covering aspects like interest rates, repayment timelines, and any collateral involved. Risk management. Evaluate the risks tied to microloans and prepare a contingency plan for unexpected situations. Share-by-share investing. Fractional ownership in real estate, or share-by-share investing, is a fairly recent innovation that lets individuals invest in parts of real estate properties. Rather than acquiring a whole property, investors buy portions of a property via online platforms or through real estate investment trusts, REITs. Here's an outline of share-by-share investing. Benefits of share-by-share investing. Affordable entry. This approach allows investors to begin with minimal capital by purchasing small shares in real estate properties. Risk diversification. Spread your investments over multiple properties or locations to mitigate risk. Passive earnings. Gain rental income and potentially benefit from property value appreciation without the need to manage the properties. Strategies for share-by-share investing. Platform evaluation. Select well-regarded online platforms or REITs that match your investment objectives and risk comfort level. Investment monitoring. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio to ensure a diverse and balanced investment spread. Fee awareness. Understand all fees involved in share-by-share investing, including management and transaction charges. Get started with your investment journey today. Engaging in real estate investment without a large down payment is entirely possible through inventive methods like investing in raw land, utilizing microloans, and engaging in share-by-share investing. Each of these avenues provides distinct benefits and suits various investment goals and levels of risk acceptance. It's vital to undertake comprehensive research, evaluate your financial standing, and seek advice from financial advisors or real estate experts when considering these options. Like all investments, real estate carries its own set of risks, and being well informed is crucial for successful outcomes. With appropriate strategies and careful due diligence, even those with limited funds for a down payment can create a diverse real estate portfolio, earn passive income, and stand a chance to gain from the long-term growth of the real estate market. Patience, meticulous planning, and a dedication to ongoing education are indispensable as you venture into the realm of real estate investing. As we conclude our exploration of Minnesota's real estate landscape, we've seen how this northern state offers a diverse array of opportunities, from bustling city centers to serene, picturesque locales. The journey through Minnesota's property market reveals not just investment prospects but also the unique charm and potential of the North Star State. If you found this journey through Minnesota's real estate intriguing and are looking to expand your horizons even further, why not explore another exciting market? Consider diving into the vibrant real estate scene of Alabama. Just as Minnesota has its hidden gems, Alabama too offers a rich tapestry of opportunities, each with its unique potential for growth and investment. Whether you're expanding your portfolio or just curious about what other states have to offer, our next video on real estate in Alabama is your gateway to discovering new investment landscapes. Click on the video shown on the screen to continue your real estate adventure.